Okay, my name is Oscar CHULDE and talk about monitor model caches. Okay, okay, characteristics we have the monitor model is a theory of second language acquisition development by Steven. It comprises five main hypotheses: acquisition learning, monitor, input natural order, and effective filter. It's important says that focus on comprehensible input and emphasizes subconscious acquisition over conscious learning, and emotional factors or affective filter significantly impact language learning success. Simulators learning errors are considered significant, but for different reasons. Crashes considers errors to be natural to be acquisition process, while Carter used them for diagnostic purposes. And the difference we have that the monitor model downplays the influence of mother tongue transfer, while constructive analysis emphasizes the interference of the mother tongue. Thanks.
Error analysis theory. The basic task of error analysis is to describe how learning occurs by examining the student's output, and this includes his or her correct and incorrect utterance. In the characteristics, the errors are an integral part of language learning and are considered a result that the students use to learn. In the difference, in the monitor model theory, a language is acquired natural and unconsciously through its use in real communication. In the universal grammar, that difference is the human brain that has innate pre-programmed knowledge that allows it to acquire and develop language. In the similarities, we have the in the monitor model. In learning, students are aware that they are studying a field of the language. In the universal grammar, the similarities is the grammatical errors that children make are often not simple reflection of errors they hear from adults.
Professor, my name is Tim Culqui, and I'm going to talk about the contrastive analysis of Robelado. What is contrastive analysis? It's to approach the six or to describe the difference and the similarities of two languages. I'm going to analyze two similarities and two differences between another theories of uh, language acquisition. For example, we have the first one that contrastive analysis talk about a similarity between the syntactic and the writing of a primal sentences. For example, subject, verb, object. These two are similar in English and Spanish. And another is avoid behavior, because in avoid behavior, we try to identify what is the problem that the student have and can find another program to have a better way to educate. And it's the same in the contrasting analysis, because we need to find the major difficulties that the new language in order to highlight it and work of them with the students. And the differences that we have is in the contrasting analysis that attempts to pretend difficulties in languages of the foreign by comparing the two languages, and in the inference the concept and the analysis the errors and have to made to transfer these rules to structures in another language. And other difference that we have is contrasting analysis between avoid behavior. In avoid behavior, this concept focus on the cases where the learning uh, can cannot certain the language and don't follow the rules. And in the other way, contrasting analysis objective to determine which of the target language it will be easy to learn for the students and to teach for the teacher.
Hi everyone, my name is Solange Granda, and today I want to give you a, a quickly overview of Church's universal grammar and compare with other theories of language learn. So, Church's ideas is simple but powerful. Uh, because humans are born with a innate ability to learn English. Uh, and also he said there are universal principles shared with all language, and each language set in out special rules. This explains how childs can learn complex systems so quickly, even with limited input. Well, what is the big difference in other theories? Well, Churchill's theory is more abstract and also focuses on innate ability, while the other theories is highlight the rules of input, errors, or language comprehension.
In summary, these theories offer different perspectives that together enrich our understanding of language learning. First, Stephen Krashen's monitor model distinguishes between acquisition and learning, highlighting the importance of comprehensive input and how emotional factors such as anxiety can influence learning. On the other hand, error analysis developed by S.P. Corder focus on learning errors as a window into the learning process. This theory helps us understand how learning constructs the language through stages. In contrast, Robert Lado's constructive analysis theory analyzes the difference between the native language and the second language to predict possible difficulties. Here, the emphasis is on language transfer and how it affects learning. Finally, we have known Chomsky universal grammar, which process proposes that all human beings possess innate grammatical principles that facilitate the learning of any language. Together, these theories approach language learning from different angles, from errors and transfer between languages to innate principles and the impact on the environment. This showed that language learning is a complex and multifaceted process.